In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Java to Postgre database. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you general instructions on how to connect Java to your database. I'm going to go step by step, and you can copy this code available on this website if you would like to follow along. So, to start, you will need to use a specific tool to integrate the Postgre driver into your project directory. You can add the JDBC driver either by manually adding the jar file in the project or by using a management tool like Maven. So if you want to use the Postgre JDBC driver, download the driver on your device so you can see it available on the official website here. And by downloading this file, you will be able to add the Postgre JDBC driver jar file to your project. So it's going to be available here, and you can drag it into your project. Alternatively, use a tool like Maven. Once this is done, you will have to connect the Postgre database to your project. As I've said before, the code is available here on tamble.io. So this is what it's going to look like. This will connect the database, and you should make sure to replace the username, password, and database name with the credentials of your database. After this is done, you can execute your desired SQL queries to perform operations on the database. So again, this is going to be available on Tamble, so thanks to them for the code. And you should use your table name in place of employees in this example, of course. Replace any necessary credentials, and afterwards close the connection after you have performed the desired operations on your database. So you will be able to read the data. You can also perform DML operations on Postgres like insert and update, and DDL operations like create table. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Java to Postgre database. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.